Hello everyone, it's Theary here. I am sharing a mystery grab bag unboxing video today, and this one is from ScrapbookPal's. And I was really curious about this one. I've been looking all over the place on YouTube, on the web for kind of like a review or an unboxing video, and I couldn't find any. So I just wanted to share it with you guys just in case if you were interested or curious about it. The mystery grab bag is on the website and it's listed for $98. I know it was a little pricey and I was questioning the fact that if I should have done it or not. But the good thing is that the retail value in the bag, it's supposed to be $200. I thought that was a good deal, right? But I went ahead and placed the order and it arrived pretty fast. It arrived 4 days later. And I think that's what I like about Scrapbook Pal, and I like supporting them because their shipping rate is so fast. Like sometimes I receive it within 2 days. So 4 days is not bad. I believe I ordered this on a Saturday or a Friday, and 4 days is pretty fast. So here is the first stamp and die set that I received in the package. This one is from Theary, and I noted the price and everything on the bottom as well, so you guys can look at that. And this one's a cute set. I remember this coming out and I was thinking, oh, it's cute. Should I get it? But I decided to get something else. And I also received a second Theary, and this one is so adorable. I didn't even realize they had this stamp set, and I used to have a Frenchie, so this one just it just melts my heart, and they're so adorable. And it's nice that it comes with the coordinating dies. I know a lot of mystery bags don't include the coordinating dies, or they would include the die set and not the coordinating stamps, which I think is a fail in a mystery bag. So also I received the Lawn Fawn die, and you know, everything is good with Lawn Fawn. You can't go wrong with that. And I also received another one, and this one I don't have in my stash. So I was really happy for this one. I wanted to try it out. And this one says wish big. So the total right now comes to $80.98. And this one here is by Hero Arts, and I love a good cling stamp, and I love using background stamps. So this one I feel like would come in handy. I can use it to stamp out a cardstock and color the individual pieces with different colors. I think that would be nice. And I also received the stamp set from My Favorite Things. I love this company as well, and I always try to support them. So this one here I don't have in my collection either, and it's so adorable. Look, there's two little bears hugging and two little skunk with a little heart on a tail. And a lot of these products aren't retired products. It looks like most of them came out like in 2020. But what I noticed is that on the ScrapbookPal's website, it's showing that they're out of stock. So maybe they pulled all of these items off to the side and used it as a grab bag instead. But I'm not disappointed by it. It's not like really old retired items, so that's a plus, right? And this one here is from Honeybee Stamp. I like this set, but it's not really something that I would initially buy, so I might give this one in a giveaway, so stay tuned with that. I'll probably do a giveaway on my YouTube channel and my Instagram account. So here is an overview of everything everything in the grab bag, and the total that I got was $178.35, but this total amount, it's from the sale price on ScrapbookPal's. If you're not aware, ScrapbookPal's discount a lot of their items from the retail price. So I'm thinking a $200 mark is for retail price, or the MSRP from the retailer. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys could look at what was in here, and you know, honestly, I thought that there would be more, but I'm okay with the fact that these are a lot of like newer stamp set. Well, not really newer stamp set, but they're still circulating and they're not really retired. So I hope you guys enjoy and got a better idea of what's in the grab bag. Okay, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.